Hey, thanks for clicking on this video. This clip is actually from a live call that we do every Monday at 6 p.m. If you'd like to know more or like to join us, the link is in the description below.
In that and give an update about merch by Amazon. We can now sell through .com to over 100 different countries. And there's nothing we have to do on our end. That's just the back end of Amazon now is shipping to all of these different countries. So the Philippines, Italy, Jamaica, all these different countries that we weren't able to sell to before, even Canada and Mexico, they are now shipping to, which means that those customers are now going to be seeing our listing. So 100 more countries that our customers are going to, or we have new customers now, which is super exciting. So to throw a little bit of a wrench in there, just thinking about the different seasons and different areas, it's not to say that like you won't have any success if you're only selling the heavy apparel, because in other parts of the world it's going to be warmer and all of that. So it might still be worth trying to put up tank tops and v-necks and all these things now that we have these new customers to sell to. So that's definitely something we're starting to test out and just trying to figure out how we can make that work for us the best we can. But it's something good to know, especially if merch by Amazon is your main focus. Know that now you have a much wider audience. So making designs for other parts of the world and maybe targeting different customer bases and cultures and things is something cool that we can do. So something to try out
Yeah, I
if you
almost feel like
guys
it's
are
a,
looking
a
for that.
gold rush anytime like new markets open up. Like there's a whole new audience, there's a whole new space to kind of go after. You can look at all those countries and then, I mean, you can make some very educated guess, but you can even go into Google and just see who's buying more t-shirts and then focus in on those countries and then gear your listings to those customers, because even though it might be showing up on .com, customers from other countries will be able to see it and then relate more to that and then be more likely to purchase yours. And I don't see a lot of competition doing that, especially when Germany and stuff opened up. There wasn't a lot of competition that rushed over there. Even like something very popular like cats, if you gear that towards a country that's just coming up and put like cats and that country in, mixing that stuff together, especially going into Q4, you can really start distancing yourself from the competition and going into those smaller sub niches and having a lot of success with that.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun going after Germany when it first opened up. So now there's 100 more countries that you guys get to experiment with. If you're looking for that list of countries, it is in the FAQ of Merch by Amazon, and it's in the shipping questions. They show all the new countries that they ship to now, so you can see a list of those and use those as new markets to go after. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you liked it, please leave us a like, or you can ask your question in the comments below. We are still doing those free coaching calls for the rest of this month, so if you'd like to sign up, that link is also in the description.